Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 10th and I started these off on March the 9th. These are my cantaloupe plants. These ones here I had started off in these little jiffy pods. I wanted to see the difference, and if you go back a few videos ago on this series, you could see that these ones here were growing much faster than these ones here. And I have had a little grow lamp sitting on top of these, and I can see that there's a little bit of burning going on, quite a bit on this one here, a little bit on this one, and these just need to get planted now, so I want to get them all down at the same level. So last week we had a power outage for 3 days because of an ice storm, and we had below freezing temperatures, and today for the first time we're supposed to go up to plus 16 degrees Celsius. If that is the case, later on this afternoon I'm going to take these outside for the first time. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take all of these and I'm going to get them into these little cavities here. And to do that, I do like to open these up. You want to just gently take it and open it. I'm not sure if you have to actually do this, but I like to do it because these little roots, they are confined. So you just remove it like that and then right into some soil. So I'm not going to bore you doing all of that. I'll continue on. I'm going to fill the pods with some soil, just regular garden soil that I got last year, and I'm just going to fill these up and then I'll come back. So I filled these up with a little bit of garden soil, and then I'm just going to take these and place them down. So I want enough soil at the bottom so that the roots have ample area to start expanding, growing. We'll just get it like that. And I've kept a little area here so I know which ones I had started off in these little pods. So you just want to get those down. And then like that. And then I've just got my soil in a little bucket here. And I'm just going to start filling these up. So I'll come back when it's all done. So that looks pretty good, and I'm sure these plants are going to thank me. Actually, I can hear them right now. Thank you, thank you. There we go, perfect. And then to end off, I will water these. So there we go. So these are the ones that we started in this area here, and then we started these ones in the little pods. But all of these were started with a little baggie and some brown paper. But you can see that these ones here still are quite more advanced than the ones here. So that's it for this really fast update video. Thanks very much for watching, and I will keep you updated on the progress. Thanks for watching.